Introducing ChatGPT Pulse. Your world, your interests, all in one place. ChatGPT starts your day with a personalized collection of insights. Catching a flight? We've got you covered with a handy guide to Heathrow and dinner ideas for your trip. A fresh new update lands in your app every morning. Pulse is based on the things you care about. From helping your kitten adjust to its new home, to suggesting playtime gifts, Pulse has it all. Need support for your ACL recovery? Pulse has tips and exercises to help you get back on your feet. Want a 30-minute routine? Pulse will create one for you. It will also suggest other things, like how to book smarter and align your breaks with your travel. Curate Pulse to your liking. Add a trail run recommendation every morning, or get updates on local news. It's now rolling out to ChatGPT users, so see you tomorrow with a new Pulse.